Hi all, good morning, good afternoon, good evening whenever you're seeing this video. My name is Sandeep Khandekar, as you can see on the screen. I used to work in corporate before. I have around 10 years of corporate experience in companies like Infosys, Reliance, Bajaj. And I've been teaching for IIT preparation since last 5 years. I have produced a lot of IITians, NITians, COEPNs, PICTNs over the years. I have always stayed true to the idea that it has to be result-oriented study. So I call myself a result-oriented person. Also, we need to take some positive stress is what my motto is. Positive stress takes a human being to great level. My educational background is I have done bachelor's in computer science engineering from Mumbai, and I have done my post-graduation in human resources. So with this, I'll tell you today how to score good marks in your board exams. Right? Let's begin. Alright, so let's begin our today's session on how to get good marks in your board exams. Right? I have broken down our syllabus into several chapters, and I'll talk about where are the low-hanging fruits, as in where are the easy marks available for us to score. Starting with integral calculus. Integral calculus stands for that part of calculus which takes integration into account. We will count 3 chapters under this: indefinite integration, definite integration, and area under curves. I have written all those topics which are there in this chapter, and I'll mark all those topics where you can score, where there is an easy scoring opportunities. Indefinite integration has your first and second exercise based on standard integrals. This is very easy, very scoring. It requires you to remember basic trigonometric identities, basic algebraic simplification, and you can easily get a 2 to 3 mark question of section A and section B from this. Integration through substitution is one of the most important topic, and I'll not say that this is very easy. Some parts are tricky, some parts are easy. The easier part is 1 by quadratic, 1 by square root quadratic, a linear by quadratic, or a linear by square root quadratic. These kind of questions carry 3 to 4 marks, section B or section C type of questions, and very repetitive, very easy questions. Okay. Then comes your integration by parts, in which you apply isolate rule, right? By parts using isolate rule. That's also very repetitive. You just need to remember isolate rule and you are done with the question. And lastly, partial fraction. Where is your easy marks? Easy marks are in standard integrals, easy marks are in isolate rule, and easy marks are in these substitutions, which are very commonly asked in every year boards. Alright. Then let's go for definite. Definite integration mainly relies on using properties, right? And there are 6 properties, out of which property number 4 and property number 5 and property number 6 are the most important, and they are so easy to apply that once you solve enough questions, we'll do some practice in our online sessions, but if you do enough practice on these 3 properties, your definite integration is through. Okay. Next chapter is area under curve. I can say this is slightly calculative in nature. इसमें थोड़ा सा calculation करना पड़ता है. उसके अलावा area under curve is a very small and very simple topic. It has only 2 things that are asked in boards. You will have a single function or a single curve, and either you are supposed to integrate with respect to x or integrate with respect to y. Or the second category, very rare, is when you have 2 curves. Even out of that, a parabola and a line is the most commonly occurring theme, right? And we have a direct result, which I'll give you in your online session. We have a direct result to get this kind of an answer. It also helps us in CET, right? So this is your integral calculus. You need a lot of practice. This is a very heavy practice based chapter, but once you do this practice, I can guarantee you will get at least 10 out of 12.